Next, the fifth one, development of capital market. Bank also develops the capital market. Bank helps business and industry to raise funds in the capital market by providing many financial services like banker to the issue, merchant banking, etc. Even settlement of transactions in the stock market takes place with the active involvement of banks. That means the capital market is a place where long-term lending and borrowing activity taking place. As I said, the well-developed money market is a place where lending and borrowing of short-term securities are bought and sold, whereas the capital market, it is a place where long-term securities also bought and sold. That means lending and borrowing for lending and borrowing of. So development of capital market. Bank help business and industry to raise funds in the capital market by providing many financial services like banker to the issue, merchant banking, etc. Merchant banking means especially providing financial assistance to the businessmen. As I said, capital market is a place where lending and borrowing of long-term securities are taking place, or short-term funds are taking place in the money market, whereas long-term borrowing and lending taking place in the capital market. Especially the businessman and industry are uh, involved in the development of capital market. The capital market is also known as share market. Share market is a place where long-term securities are bought and sold, or it is a place where lending and borrowing of long-term funds are taking place. So most of the long-term securities are issued by the industries and the businessmen for the purpose of their transactions. Merchant banking means it is a service provided by the bank to finance the industries. So bank provides funds not only for agriculture, it also provides finance to the industries and the businessmen also. It helps. So capital market is also known as share market or stock market. All stock market transactions are taking place through. Sixth one, public finance. Bank finance the government in a big way. According to the statutory liquidity ratio, banks have to invest 23% of their liabilities in approved securities. Approved securities are mainly treasury bills and government bonds. So government get the finance from the bank. How government gets finance from the bank? Because bank has to invest their liabilities in approved securities. Then seventh one, financing the nation. Banks almost finance every sections of the society like business, industry, transportation, hospitality, agriculture, consumers, etc. Bank constitute a giant lending mechanism of the country. That means not only government gets the finance, but every sections of the nation will get the financial support from the bank. That every one of us know that. For businessmen, for industrialists, for transportation also, we will get certain benefit from the bank. Eighth one, risk-free investment. This is the most important significance of the bank. Why we deposit money in the bank, or why people deposit money in the bank, or why industrialists and all deposit money in bank? Because the major segment of the citizens like to invest in a safe avenue, even in return is low. Bank deposits such a simple, easy and convenient mode of investment for the for most of the people. That means all of us are fine. Bank is the safest place for investing our amount, and in return we will get the interest, but the rate of interest is low for savings, that all of you know. That is especially for savings bank account, rate of interest is low, but still we are going to deposit our money in the bank by thinking that it is the safest place to invest our money. And one more thing is the risk is very less, and we are finding it is the safest place. And depositing money in banking also, it is not a difficult task, and it is a very easy method to invest our money in bank. Investing in the sense depositing our money in the bank. All of you are knowing how to deposit. Now depositing is also become very easier, that deposit machines are available. No need to go to bank, and you have to fill the details and you have to deposit. Now the in deposit machine only, if you know the account number, you have to enter the account number, then the amount you have to enter, then you have to insert the currency notes inside the deposit machine, and deposit machine will accept the amount. Immediately within 5 minutes you will receive a message that this much amount is deposited to the particular person's account. If you deposited your account, then it will deposit it to your account. If you are investing in someone else's account, that means your brother's account, sister's account, and money will be credited to their account. So bank provides risk-free investment, because banking system is a very simple system and it is easily operated by the common people. Okay, ninth one, bank provide corporate services. Many highly specialized corporate services like depository participation, economic and technical consultancy, foreign exchange transactions, venture capital, etc. are provided by most of the banks. Naturally, banks help in the development and execution of big projects. Bank provide some specialized corporate services like depository participation, economic and technical consultancy. Economic and technical consultancy means bank provide consultancy services to the needy, especially for the businessman. The businessman will consult the bank, and what is the financial assistance they are going to get by the bank, by explaining their various projects. So the various projects of the industrialist will be financed by the bank. Therefore they will consult before they are going to borrow. Okay, then foreign exchange transactions also made by bank itself. Foreign exchange transactions means exchange of foreign currency into Indian currency, or Indian currency is converted into foreign currency. That is, currency exchange can be taken place through banking system itself. It also help in venture capital concept also, which is beneficial for the businessman. Therefore, corporate services means services provided to the corporate sector. So it provides various services, especially for importers and exporters. These foreign exchange transactions are very important. So these foreign exchange transactions are taking place. And the last one, social banking. Bank branches acts as delivery channels of many government funded schemes. Apart from the priority sector lending, They are playing a crucial role in assisting self-finance groups and providing microfinance. So social banking. Social banking means bank helps in people to get finance. So bank branches act as a delivery channel of many governmental funded schemes. Government funded schemes are available. As you are knowing, many government funded schemes are there. How you will get that amount? That government will uh, sanction certain amount of funds. How you will get the amount? You have to provide them your bank details, your account details. You have to provide to the certain governmental agencies, and that account amount will be credited by the government. Government is going to credit certain amount of sanctioned amount to your account. And the bank also helps in self-finance groups. Self-finance groups means some of the groups which will be leading the self-finance. For them also the bank will help, like microfinance section. Self-help groups and all are there, no? For self-help groups, you may be heard that they will every week there will be a meeting. In every week they will save certain amount of money, that is 10 rupees. They will provide 10, they will give 10 rupees, 5 rupees and all for them, where they will total amount where they will keep, they will deposit in the bank. Therefore, bank provide social finance also, especially for the self-help groups and all. To increase the microfinance, their amount of finance is very small, and they are providing a channel to deposit their amount. So all these 10 points are the significance of banking.